This 2025 KZ Connect SE301 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features slide-out, air conditioning, awning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, smoke detector, LP detector. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.